Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Salman. I hope everyone is doing fine. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of a jack. This is a jack for bikes like Dominar and other bikes which don't have center stand. So it's very easy for you to raise the rear wheel, and you can clean the chain and lube the chain, and also you can bring the wheel down. You can open the wheel for repairs. So I just ordered from Amazon once again. So let me just unpack this. I'll just pause the video. So let me remove this. I'm just opening the packaging. So the quality of the packaging is good, I would say. Let me just open this. So this is one of the best available in the market, as I have done the research. As per my research, so what you get is the jack, and this is the manual, and this is something extra which you get with this. Now this is what you do with this is you put around the front brake, and put it like this, and you have to snap the brake and put it this way. Let me check. Yeah. So you put it this way so that the front wheel does not move and the bike might fall. So this is how you lock the front brake, and this is the jack itself. So you get the rubber padding here, and this is how it goes. I will make another video on how to install this on your bike. Let me pause this and show you how to install this on your bike. So this is the manual which comes with this Moto Jack. It's a good brand, and the reviews are good. You just need to place at the rear axle and push it, so it will be fixed this way. So I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So guys, I forgot to show you another thing. It has got 3 settings. You can raise the height or increase it. So it is set to the maximum. Different bikes have different length of the axle from the ground, so height of the bike differs. So this has 3 variable settings, so you can just unscrew this and put it accordingly to your requirement. So this is very simple to use. Just so this end goes to the axle, okay, and this, keep it on the ground here, and just okay, this did not work. I'm doing this with one hand. Let me just pause the video here. I will require another hand. So you need to just push the bike this way. One moment. And before you do that, just ensure your front brake is locked this way, thereby the wheel doesn't move. So the wheel is the wheel is jammed with the brake, and the wheel will not fall, the bike will not fall down. So I'll just fix this and show you how you can do that. Just sorry about the background sound.